There's something problematic here that we need to address with. In 2026, we can't have our government issuing warrants of arrest for voices of dissent in an attempt to silence them. This sets a bad precedent and it is undemocratic. As a constitution, freedom-loving South African and as a social liberal, it is unconscionable that somebody who is engaging in democratic processes like the right to protest then gets issued a warrant of arrest because the conversation becomes uncomfortable. I must remind all leaders, all of us, every single party, barring the EFF, campaigned on porous borders, stronger borders, and illegal immigration in 2024. So to have an organization that shares those sentiments, irrespective of how uncomfortable the truths they decide to campaign on and to mobilize on are, to then use something like a warrant of arrest to silence that organization's leader is a highly undemocratic thing, and it's something that I just can't agree with. So nam ngiyakhona police station asambe sonke futhi, because you can't have the state do this. It sets a bad precedent, and then we ask ourselves, to what end? The next time someone says something that someone sitting in some office is uncomfortable with, then uzoboshwa all of a sudden because lento oyishoyo abahamsani nayo ayikho right leyo nto. And it's about time that we stand up for things like this, because what is actually going to happen now, and this is what I don't understand, people wanted you to listen to them and for them to be assured their concerns, which are very real, their lived experiences, their daily lived experiences are being heard, and you are going to address them as leadership. To then go this route, you're pouring petrol onto a fire for no reason. Ngabe siyabalalela abantu sisebenze inkinga zabo. No guys, nami ngiyakhona ngifuna ukuyibonela ngawami, ayikho lento.
Hi guys, good morning. So Ujansita has been arrested, right? Or she handed herself over to the police. And I saw the March and March page this morning posted, and they said our leader is at the police station. Because yesterday they released a statement saying that she was going to hand herself over to the police today. So they did an update that she's there because the police has criminally charged Ujansita for inciting violence on illegal foreigners. And you know, one thing that I'm interested to see, I want to see you guys, Nina, niyamlontsha. That's the problem with it. Niyamlontsha. Yabona uJansita nje benimqobela kangaka. The way you guys were clapping and hyping it up, ukuthi ya, your true colors are gonna show. Not even one of you are going to go and support Ujansita. Not even one of you are gonna take time off at work, take time off your programs and go and support Ujansita. I dare you to. And one of those charges that she's acquiring now, and those court appearances, you will know where to be. You will be nowhere to be found, Nina. Ninjalo niyabalontsha. Same thing leniyenza kuZandile. Yabona uZandile has been scarce ngoku. There was a court ruling. You guys you were hyping her up. Zandile. Into qaze mkhalela umuntu faces things alone. Anikho nini. That is the problem with you guys. Nansi ingxakeni. Yabona? So I want to see what's gonna how it's gonna play out for Jansita, but the March and March people were like, we will not be deterred, and don't. I also saw the Lanco, the MK group Laco, the one that also goes to places and demand people to be, the foreigners to be removed, and that they must hire South Africans. Don't. I don't know their programs. I'm just talking about what I've seen here on TikTok. So they also, I saw their leader posted on Facebook this morning. We must support Jansita because what's happening to her, it's gonna happen to us. Let's quickly read though. Let's read this quickly. You see, they posted this an hour ago. I think this was around 8 or 9. Says our leader is now at the police station, will not be deterred. Okay, this statement was released yesterday. It said that the March and March movement has received the interesting news that the South African Police Service has decided to criminally charge our leader and founder, Mrs. Jacinta Ngobese Zuma, for allegedly inciting public violence against illegal immigrants. 2, we note the attitude of the state towards the South African citizens who are merely fighting for the rights of the disenfranchised and downtrodden people of South Africa. 3, we have come to conclusion that indeed it is easy to arrest and abuse voters and taxpayers, while foreign nationals who are here illegally continue to sell drugs and illicit goods unabated. 4, our leader, as a law-abiding citizen, will tomorrow at 7:30 hand herself over to the police station in order to be formally charged and appear in court. 5, we wish to warn the apartheid apologists that we will not be deterred. We will not stop fighting until our people are free and liberated from modern-day occupation of their country by criminals from all over the world. Hey, siyakhala. So yeah, let me know what you think and let me know how you feel.
Mina my advice to Jacinta Zuma kanye nomnyeni wakhe bafa. Mina kuhlanu nje, my advice iyodwa is to tell your woman, is to tell unkosikazi wakho to back off. Ngiyakutshela, ngiyabazi mina labantu basemzansi. Ngiyabazi mina labantu basemzansi abalwelayo. Ngibazi kahle kamhlophe ngowala emzansi khona la kwaZulu Natal, kodwa ngibazi kahle abantu bala eSouth Africa. The same people obalwela njengamanje are the same people abazabe sebevotela lamaqembu asicinazelayo, IFP, ANC, iDA, EFF. Wonke lamaqembu lawa angabonakali esupporta iMarch and March. Wonke lamaqembu angabonakali esupporta oMarch and March. Ibona abazobe sebewavotela ngonyaka ozayo, bazobe sebekhankasela wona lawo maqembu. Uyabona? Baphotha umuntu njengamanje. I'm sure he's a part and parcel of ukuthi uvulelwe icala. If not, bakuphi? Othamintuli bathula bathini? Why bengawenza umsebenzi wabo? Ngoba umsebenzi wabo is to protect ama citizens akulelizwe. Baphi njengamanje? Mina ngiyanizwa nje bekhuluma no bhuti lapha uphakela umthakathi bethi silinde inkosi ukuthi isho. Wake kambe walinda inkosi yini ukwenza ubugebengu? Ngake ufuna ubugebengu ubenze bube semthethweni? Manifuna ukushaya labantu, why kumele nifene nicelile inkosi kusho yona ukuthi ishaya abantu? Ngeke inkosi kwenze lokho. Ngeke inkosi ithi shaya nabantu. Why kumele nilinde yona ngempela? Musani ukudlala ngathi la nini? Musani ukuvika ngoMangobese nifuna ukuthi kuboshwe uJacinta. Musani ukufuna ukuthi kuboshwe uJacinta nimvike ngaye. Nenza ngathi labantu bofika anibafuni nibe nibathanda kangaka. If anibafuna ngabe naye kakudala ukuvotela uANC. Ngabe naye kakudala ukuvotela iEFF. Ngabe naye kakudala ukuvotela IFP neDA bantu abamnyama. Sikhathele nina thina nibophisa abantu abalwela lelizwe nivike ngabo nenza izinto bese nivika ngabo. Why ningafuni ukuboshwe nina? Nifuna ukuboshwa abantu abathile. Advice yami yodwa, vala lento sisi ye March and March. Mengabe bezimisele labantu ukudila nabantu bokufika. They will stand up in their own. They will fight on their own. Okwamanje yena nje khohlwana. Basaza kwenza izinto bacashe ngosisi uMangobese.
South Africans, stop this behavior. Kore I am pleading le lena this behavior ke tlo e bolelang ke kgopela re stop it. La bona now re rwadishitse Jacinta morolo o mokakang. La bona ore now re rwadishitse Zandi morolo o mokakang. And it's been months now. Arna le shame le one. This thing khale e go on really village and arna di tlong moralo la o ba shitang. Are bone le problem ntwe mbora. Ye mbora ngwesne gore batho ba le ntwe ba ilwelang ba lwela nna le wena. Ba lwela bana ba rena. Ba lwela future ya bana ba rena le ditlogolo kukutsa rena. Mara the support ye ba ikriang le 5% a idiri from our people ba lo renda defending. Aba idiri. If stay away it's a person ke rena. If you're on your own mara le re baleng mo di benefits ke rena. South Africans anina mahloni ke sizulu alina mahloni. What you're doing guys it's wrong. What we are doing it's wrong. Basadi ba tshwaretsela e kaka ba le one ba imelo so in a country e tletseng banna ba ba kaka le basadi ba ba kaka ene re di go scroll like share whatever ditaba tsa Jacinta go lebelela Jacinta wherever a leng gona le Zandi foreign nationals ba mo overpower. They are more than her and a crew. Mara re ba ba kae mo South Africa. Re ba ba kae South Africa Janita bolelele yen o bolelela rena re duji ma foreigner a etse bantwe o ba bone re ba supportana jo o bone the number the turn up how they show up in numbers and they know re ka setle ba tsena ba shosho and a ritle
Ay bafana bakithi I know Ibo ngiqeda ukufunda statement much and much. Apparently Justin has been charged. Uyoyinikela kusasa police station engathi kuzoba police station lesePoint. Amaphoyisa mfethu mina ngikwazi ukuthi kanti asebenza kanjani mkhona zifethu awukhulume vele bafuna ukuxosha ithiwani into nje ithiwani into nje yazi ukuthi hey ayi bafunani laba mfethu government wethu wazwa in nonsense ya government kodwa wayeshilo credo motho wathi it will be like a bottomless pit of darkness yazi ngizizwa azuma ngizingicasukele noma ngisingisede kodwa nje kushisa amehlo because we've got illegal foreigners which are not being deported. Kanti yini ugovernment oyigayina kulaba bantu? Awuke nikhulumeni bakwethu anikhulumeni. Kuzoboshwa umuntu olwela abantu. Qalo kwaboshwa uXolani Khumalo. Njengamanje uboshwa Jacinta Ngobese. Ubani omunye olandelayo? Ubani omunye olandelayo? Yini abantu abathanda South Africa ngeenhliziyo zabo zonke bakufele lokho? Mina yazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi awazi wayisiqalekiso Ramaphosa no government wakhe wobumbano lombhedo. Khona umlungu ekade ngimlalele echaza ukuthi bekhuluma ngesituation yaseAmerica echaza ukuthi lento yama illegal immigrants esho ukuthini ezweni eyibiza ngokuthi i-ethnic mobilization namanga uthe ethnic cleansing ethnic cleansing iyona into abazama ukuyenza yini ngoba kunje njengamanje le iyona into abazama ukuyenza yini ngaleso sikhathi kumele ngibe semsebenzini kusasa ngisenkantolo icala lakhanyile hayi nalo imovie film yazi khala film into yazi uyibone yabona lapha bengizizwa ngathi ngiku Netflix phakathi uyangizwa manje inhliziyo yami iyafisa ukuye enkantolo epolice station ukuyoseka uJacinta ngapha na umsebenzi kwaze kwanzima kuba umuntu omnyama awe ma bafuna senze njani bafuna nathi sibaleke eSouth Africa sihambise kwamanye amazwe siyoncetheza khona shoba ama foreigner khona ugovernment wethu ufunani kuthina ngempela yini lo government efuna kuthina hayi bafana bakithi sisenkingeni hayi sisikakeni straight lukhulu laba abantu abalizuza ngama illegal foreigners buka niyongibuza ningiphala ulimi angeke baze bawalwele kangaka akwazi khona thina singakwazi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozo waseMzansi guys. People are really fuming la ngaphandle ikakhulukazi lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana abantu abamangele ngemva kokuthi uJacinta Ngobese wabitwe enkantolo kuthiwa unelicala lokuhlukubeda ma-foreigners so kuthiwa uthi hand over today lapha enkantolo and bantu abaningi bagqwele outside of that court batomsupporter uJacinta. Guys, it's so sad ukuthi South Africa mawulwela amalungelo abantu base-South Africa mawulwela i-South Africa kufanele kuqoshwe ama-foreigners kufanele kutshelwe ama-foreigners ukuthi awahamba yofaka abantu ababe kuma-private schools uyaboshwa thiba nje unohlukubeda ma-foreigners. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.